Everybody, welcome to the next opening of high-end baseball. This is for the month of September 2025, and thank you for Filming for making these boxes. I love these boxes. Every month there's a new surprise, and let's get to cracking. Where's my keys at? I'm gonna open up this box. They came in today for mail day. I kind of already saw the lineup. I'm going to show you the lineup. So you can get a few of these rookies here. You can take a screenshot. I'm not too sure if he has any boxes left on his website, so take a look. We have a chance for an Ohtani because he has high tops heritage, which is awesome. Bowman Rodriguez, a few other ones, and a guaranteed surprise pack. So let's see what we get. It was packs it really well. I'm gonna drop some of these. Okay. I'm gonna open these in order. So first off, it's the top heritage 2018. Imagine an Ohtani, that would be awesome. 2019 Bowman, a little bit easier to get now because of Mr. Franco, who's doing bad things in his life. 2025, of course, we know this one. This pack I'm excited about because the chance for an auto is pretty high. And of course, a Bowman. I'm gonna open them up in this sort of arrangement. I'll leave this one towards the end, and let's get to opening. This is this one Bowman from a year, 2 years back. Of course, the Ellie De La Cruz is what you want. Kind of looking for colors. I'm only gonna stop at the ones that are, you know, noteworthy. Any of our Bowmans first, and see what is this. This is a Bowman 3D. Even though I don't see it, I don't see any 3D from that. Pedro Leon, not really a big name. We're coming up towards our Bowman cards. Here's our two Bowman cards. So Mr. Sosa, and another name that it's not quite known. Let's go ahead and go towards our 2019 Bowman. So this pack, not much action. Let's go to this one. This, of course, is a big pack. I'm looking for colors and I don't see anything, but let's go through it. Kyle Tucker. I'm gonna go through it pretty quick unless I get some big cards. Any of the Bowmans first are always one to keep. Taylor Ward, rookie card. I'm an Angels fan. Okay, we're coming up towards our Bowman cards. Lion Richardson, Kristen Pache, who did not turn up to be what he was supposed to be. Rookie of Brandon Lowe, Rookie of the Year. He was in every product that I can remember. Julio Martinez. It's a nice Bowman card. A few more Bowman towards the back. Here's our next few Bowmans. Jonathan Hernandez, Domingo, Joey Bart, Eloy Jimenez. This must be a variation card. It's not a big name. So really nothing big in that pack. Although the transferred auto is pretty high. That's back then when Bowman had, I believe, 5 autos. Versus the standard 3 for the jumbo. Getting these cards all settled. I'm opening in my car, so I just have to get these cards out of the way. Okay. We'll start with the 2025 Bowman. So we're heading 3 years into the future from the first Bowman. I don't think that there's only 1 auto per box. I don't expect much, but let's go through it. Actually, this is not a bad card. Actually, on Dohar. I'm going to sleeve this one up. Mr. Riley Green having a great year. Oh. And behind it, a Ben Rice. Bubba Chandler. Charles McDowell. Eli Morales. And the last card, Walker Janik. So only 1 good card. We are heading into our Topps Finest now. This is the one that I am excited about because, like I mentioned, chance of an auto is pretty high. So, gonna just kind of look around for anything. Don't see much, but what you see is what you get. This one's cool. Roy Sasaki. Not a parallel though. But I will keep that one. Jordan Alvarez. Francisco Alvarez. What is this? This is a Gusto. Juan Soto. I believe this may be a case hit. I don't think they're numbered though. But if it is a case hit, that's really cool to get a Juan Soto. So I keep that one to the side. Bird Louder. Oh, nice purple parallel. Will Wagner for the Blue Jays. Number 1 of 250. I've never gotten a number 1 card. It's kind of cool. I'll keep that one. Arrivals of Drake Baldwin. Now I don't know if these are good parallels. I'm gonna just put this one to the side too. Jacob Jobe. I'm gonna research these cards later. And the Giancarlo Stanton. So I'll be telling you this. There's not much going on. Our last chance for a big hit will be in this Heritage. Now, I'm excited to get this. I've seen these packs go for about $30 to $40 online, and of course those could be searched. I'm gonna go really slowly on this one. Thought that was a Mr. Ohtani, the Tyler Skaggs. Maybe it's a sign of an upcoming Ohtani. Oh baby, we got an Ohtani rookie. Now this doesn't go for much, but if it's a PSA 10, it does have some value. I wish it was an autograph, but you know, what can you complain about when you hit an Ohtani rookie? Many of these packs don't have that, so yeah, that was our. Oh, we have one more card. So no auto, but yeah, our big hit was this guy right here. All right, well, thank you, Philmington, and keep up the great work with these packs. Later.